Hey there. If you've ever experienced the pain and discomfort of canker sores, you're not alone. These pesky ulcers can make eating, drinking, and even talking a real challenge. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get rid of canker sores quickly and effectively. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before we get into the remedies, it's important to understand what canker sores are. Canker sores, also known as aphthous ulcers, are small, shallow lesions that develop on the soft tissues in your mouth or at the base of your gums. Unlike cold sores, canker sores don't occur on the surface of your lips and aren't contagious. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, minor mouth injuries, acidic or spicy foods, and even certain medical conditions. Salt water rinse. One of the simplest and most effective remedies is a salt water rinse. Salt helps to reduce inflammation and can promote healing. To use the salt water rinse, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Swish the solution around your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times a day until the sore heals. Baking soda paste. Baking soda can help neutralize acids in your mouth and reduce inflammation. To use a baking soda paste, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste directly to the canker sore using a cotton swab. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse your mouth with water. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for the best results. Hydrogen peroxide solution. Hydrogen peroxide can help clean the sore and reduce bacteria. Here's how to use it. Mix equal parts of 3% hydrogen peroxide and water. Dip a cotton swab into the solution and apply it directly to the canker sore. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing your mouth with water. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a day. According to a study by the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research in 2016, hydrogen peroxide can significantly reduce the duration and pain of canker sores. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia can coat the sore and provide relief from irritation. Here's how to use it. Dab a small amount of milk of magnesia directly onto the canker sore. Let it sit for a few minutes, then spit it out. Do this 3 to 4 times a day. Over-the-counter topical anesthetics. Topical anesthetics like benzocaine can provide quick pain relief. You can find these products at your local pharmacy. Follow the instructions on the package for application. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. Here's how to use it. Apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel directly to the canker sore. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day. Studies have shown that aloe vera can help reduce pain and speed up the healing process. A 2014 study published in Dental Research Journal supports this claim, highlighting aloe vera's effectiveness in reducing canker sore pain and size. Probiotic yogurt. Eating probiotic yogurt can help balance the bacteria in your mouth and promote healing. Try to eat a serving of plain, unsweetened yogurt daily. Use a soft toothbrush. Switching to a soft toothbrush can help prevent further irritation to your canker sores. Make sure to brush gently and avoid hitting the sore directly. Avoid certain foods and drinks. To prevent further irritation, avoid spicy, acidic, or abrasive foods and drinks. This includes citrus fruits, tomatoes, and soda. Stick to a soft diet and drink plenty of water. Remedies you can combine, those you shouldn't. For effective and safe treatment of canker sores, combine these remedies. Salt water rinse and baking soda paste. Use salt water to clean and reduce inflammation, then apply baking soda paste. Hydrogen peroxide solution and aloe vera gel. Clean the sore with hydrogen peroxide, then soothe with aloe vera. Milk of magnesia and probiotic yogurt. Dab milk of magnesia on the sore and eat probiotic yogurt to balance oral bacteria. Use these remedies separately to avoid irritation. Over-the-counter topical anesthetics and hydrogen peroxide solution. Alternate throughout the day to prevent irritation. Baking soda paste and aloe vera gel. Use them at different times to maintain effectiveness. Milk of magnesia and baking soda paste. Use one in the morning and the other in the evening to avoid pH imbalance. Important note: for persistent, severe, or recurrent canker sores, consult a dentist or doctor. Now, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Share this video with anyone who might be struggling with canker sores, and leave a comment below if you have any other remedies that have worked for you.